Hi, my name is Jan Gaddy, and I am the daughter of Mary Gaddy. And we had the fortune to have LECOM VNA help us with caring for our mother when she became so immobile that my brother and I were no longer able to do it alone. And we were very surprised because we didn't know what to expect. And we had a team of people who were so kind and gracious to us and to her that we just had a great time with them. And she loved to see them come in the door. She loved seeing them, and when she could speak, she would speak to them. And they loved that. And our nurses were fantastic.
My name is Carolina Niedovetska, and my stepfather, Richard, was a patient with LECOM hospice care. There came a very difficult moment laying in a hospital bed where he had to make the decision to go into hospice care. And that was a very difficult day for us. And I immediately made the choice to call LECOM, knowing that he was going to be taken care of. And one of the last things I said to him in that hospital room was that I was going to do everything I can to make sure that he was going to be comfortable and he was going to get great care. And that's exactly what happened.
I think it's just a way to show my appreciation to the VNA for all the ways that they've helped us through the loss of my parents. They've actually become part of our family. They not only helped my parents as they progressed, but they were beside my sister and my brother and I, and they continue to give us support. It's been almost a year since my mom passed, and they're still very helpful.
My name is Mary Jo. I am 84 years old, and I have been a patient under the care of LECOM Hospice VNA for 3 years. I am very grateful for each of them, and as far as I am concerned, they are experts in their field. They have helped me feel peace and comfort. I feel as if I've known them all my life, and they are part of my family. As of May 2023, my husband Frank is also on hospice. We've been blessed to be able to walk through the seasons of our life together, confident that God will guide LECOM to see us peacefully through till the end. We've been very blessed.
My name is Robin Vitson. I am a professional pianist and vocalist and accompanist, as well as a piano teacher. And my dad and I would sing duets at the piano, and he could play a little bit by ear, whereas I read music, but we would sit and do Heart and Soul together. So that was my first kind of warm, fuzzy memory of doing music with my dad. And when I discovered my voice, we started singing You Are My Sunshine together. We would sing it for senior places all around Erie. And when my relatives would come after I did a performance at a senior place, if my dad and I didn't do You Are My Sunshine, boy, they would give it to us and say, you have to do You Are My Sunshine. They did so much, I don't even know where to begin. But I would say, in a nutshell, they filled in the gaps for the things that we could not do to make my dad's last days comfortable. Our nurse, Kate Williams, came twice a week, took Dad's vitals, offered any assistance he needed, ordered meds, and recommended certain meds at certain times depending on what he needed, and checked his oxygen. She also came when we really needed her because we couldn't find a part of the nebulizer that he really needed one day. And she came all the way over here and found it on the floor for us, which really saved the day. Leslie Sherman, our social worker, she would bring food for us, give us gift cards. She brought my dad cupcakes on his birthday. was always willing to go the extra mile as well, and was always there when I needed her. When I was grieving really hard, especially right after my dad passed, she would write me words of encouragement via text. She sent me a book on grief, how to handle grief, losing a father. And Renee York, the bereavement counselor and coordinator, she called my mom and I several times to check on us to see how we were doing. And I could tell she really cares.
The team was so helpful with both my grandma and my dad, just having people that you could call that knew what the process was, because we were so uncomfortable, obviously, and overwhelmed, and it was just so emotionally taxing, physically as well. So just to have people that could walk us through the process, they were so kind and just there whenever we needed them, literally day or night. So we can't thank them enough for all that they did for both of our family members.